to mirror your data across data centers to avoid business discontinuity during a data center failure is also becoming a critical issue that is addressed by MapR. The other great thing about Hadoop is it's open source, right? So we can all look at the code, contribute to the code, and use it the way we see fit. So that's the great thing. However, Hadoop doesn't do things like NFS, Network File System Standard, which is a standard-based technology for accessing and ingesting data. So MapR focused on that as another enterprise integration proof point to be able to bring in data and take out data in a really seamless way, a way that people have used for decades in the past. And then finally, security and multi-tenancy, where sharing a cluster becomes important as multiple use cases are grown onto your Hadoop cluster, and more users come in. What happens is oftentimes one user's job can overrun the cluster and take over the entire resource, thereby making the cluster unusable for others, or making it hard to meet SLAs. So things like that, making Hadoop secure and data governance are the areas where MapR has focused its efforts on.
Right, and so yeah, sure. And building on all of the operational aspects that Anup mentioned, it's clear that Hadoop has proven to be very, very successful at large-scale batch use cases. For example, ETL. There's no doubt about it that it is the platform of choice for that type of workload. But just about ever since the beginning of adoption of Hadoop, so your average company bringing it in-house, working on their first use cases,